Afternoon. Hope you had a chance to have a little snack, do a brain break, get your bodies moving, take a little break, and then now we're coming back ready to learn. We've got our math books out. We are on page 25. Okay? Page 25. Write your name at the top. My name is Chris. Write the date. January 6, 2021. That's what it looks like. Okay, the instructions say circle to show how you made 10 to help you solve. John has 8 tennis balls. Tony has 5. How many tennis balls do they have in all? Okay, so 8 and 5. John and Tony. 8 and blank make blank. 10 and blank make blank. John and Tony have blank tennis balls in all. So you are going to take a certain number of balls from Tony, give them to John to make this equal to 10. So if this is 8, if you take 1 and move it over, that becomes 9. If you take another one and move it over, that becomes 10, which means you took a total of 2 and moved them over. So 8 plus 5 becomes 10 plus 3. And we're going to circle that, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so take 2, move them over. See, I circled 2, move them over. Cover those up. How many do you have left? 3. So this becomes 10 plus 3, which 10 plus 3 is 13. So 8 plus 5 makes 13. 10 plus 3 makes 13. John and Tony have 13 tennis balls in all. Got it? Now down here it says Bob has 8 raisins and Jenny has 4. How many raisins do they have all together? So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 raisins for Bob and 4 raisins for Jenny. Just like the picture up above, but with different numbers. Bob and Jenny, 8 and 4. Now we have to take 2 from Jenny, because Bob only has 8. John only had 8. He needed 2, so Bob needs 2. But because there was only 4 here, that means that Jenny only has 2 left over. So it becomes 10 plus 2 instead of 10 plus 3. So 8 plus 4 makes 13. Oh my gosh, that means this is 14. I was wrong. And like I said before, I don't have my whiteout with me and I'm using pen because the pencil doesn't show up on this, so I'm writing 14. No, that's right. 8 plus 5 is 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. Sorry, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 8 and 4 is 12. 10 and 2 is 12. Okay, don't look up above. I made a mistake. I was right the first time. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Just write down what I wrote. I just made that really confusing for everyone. Sorry. And then do the problem set on page 26. There are 3 chairs on the right side of the classroom, 8 on the left side of the classroom. How many chairs are there in total? Here's what we're going to do. 3 chairs. So draw 3 chairs. 1, 2, 3. Okay? There's 3 chairs. They're on the right side of the classroom. Now there's 8 on the left. So draw 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? There's 8, there's 3, 8 and 3, count them all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 and 3 makes 11. 10 and 1 make 11. There are 11 total chairs. The next one says there are 7 children sitting on the rug and 8 children standing. Okay, so here's the rug. It's oval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's my rug. Got 7 kids on it, 8 kids standing side next to it. Okay, now just count them all. 8 and 7. Let's see. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 children in all. So go ahead, pause this. You can copy down what I just wrote, and then attempt to do your own over here. If you want to do the make 10 and then add method, that's totally fine. If you don't, and you just want to draw a picture of all of them and count them all, if that makes more sense to you, that's perfectly fine.